One sip of ice-cold water feels incredibly refreshing, but your body begins reacting before the water even reaches your stomach.
Special temperature sensors inside your mouth instantly detect the sudden cold and alert your nervous system.
The hypothalamus immediately begins adjusting. Powerful muscles move the water downward using a perfectly timed motion called peristalsis. Your stomach quickly begins warming the cold water toward body temperature, while preparing it for absorption. The water now enters your bloodstream, helping restore fluids that your body lost through sweat. As water reaches your muscles, every cell begins restoring the fluids it lost during exercise, helping your body recover.
Your brain continuously monitors your body's condition, adjusting blood flow and cooling systems as hydration improves.
Your kidneys carefully balance every drop, deciding how much water your body should keep and how much can safely leave later. Within minutes, fresh water is supporting nearly every organ, helping your body function at its best. As your body becomes hydrated, your brain begins switching off the thirst signals that encouraged you to drink.
That refreshing sip did far more than satisfy your thirst. It activated an incredible network of organs working together to restore balance inside your body.